Performance task number 1, part 2. Given a line and a point, find both the parallel and perpendicular line through the point. State the three forms and graph both lines. So here I am at -2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the point, right? -2, 4. And then let's see. So it goes through -2, 1, 2, right there. And then it's downward sloping, so it's 2 down, 1 over. So it looks about like that. Is that right? -2. Oh no, over 2, down 1. No, down 2, over 1. There, and there. Yes, that's right. And then that's going to look about like that. And when you draw the graph, you want to say y equals -2, x plus minus 2. Okay, so what I'm being asked to find here is the equation for this line and the equation for that line. So I would need to chart those as well. So let's start with the parallel line. What I know about parallel lines is that they have the same slope. So in this case, m is going to be -2. Standard form, or point slope, y minus 4 equals -2x plus 2. Remember that that sign is reversed. All right, well that looks pretty good. That was easy. And then I need to take this, y equals -4, y minus -4 equals -2x minus 4. Let me double check that. -2x minus 4, right. I add the 4 to both sides. Let's see, I have to add the 4 to both sides. I have to add the 2x to both sides. I'm not flipping it this time because the x is negative. I'm not going to move the x over here. I have to add it to get this number, this coefficient for x always has to be positive. So this looks like 2x plus y equals 0. 2x plus y equals 0. So far so good. And then all I have to do is subtract the 2x, so the slope intersect be y equals -2x. Halfway there. All right, perpendicular. Perpendicular, same process, only I begin with the negative reciprocal, which in this case is going to be 1/2, correct? Flip it, take the opposite, -1/2. So I do the exact same thing. Y minus 4 equals 1/2 x plus 2. You see it's very similar because it's going through the same point. Okay, and then let me go ahead and do this out. Y minus 4 equals 1/2 x plus 1. You know what? I'm going to do my trick there. 1/2 x plus 2, and then I'm going to multiply everything by this denominator. Multiply this side by 2. Multiply this side by 2. I have 2y minus 8 equals. That goes x plus 2. Okay. And then let's see. This one I am going to flip because that's positive. So I have x plus 2 equals 2y minus 8. And then subtract the 2y, subtract the 2 from both sides. Those cancel, and what I get is x minus 2y equals -10. There we go. x minus 2y equals negative 10. So far, so good. And then this, I have to, let me turn this into y equals mx plus b. I'll subtract the x, I got negative 2y equals negative x minus 10. Divide everything by a negative 2, and I get y equals 1/2 x plus 5. No, what did I do wrong? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. Y equals 1/2 x plus 5, right. Y equals 1/2 x plus 5. And then what you want to do is just take a peek. This does in fact cross at 5, and it should have a slope. I probably should have made it look a little steeper. Y equals negative 2x. This should actually go through 0. But that's what you're doing. Good luck.